Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable iBuyer financing planning with Opendoor, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable iBuyer financing planning with Opendoor, start by visiting the Opendoor website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the financing section of the dashboard. Click on Get Started for iBuyer financing. Read through the introductory information to understand the process. Select your location to see relevant financing options. Input the details of the property you are considering selling or buying. Review the estimated offer provided by Opendoor. Check the financing options available for the selected property. Choose the type of financing that suits your needs, such as cash offers or loans. Complete the online application form with accurate financial information. Submit any required documentation to verify your income and assets. Review the terms of the financing options carefully. Schedule a consultation with an Opendoor representative for personalized guidance. Discuss any questions or concerns you may have during the consultation. Once you feel ready, proceed to formally accept the financing offer. Follow the prompts to finalize your agreement with Opendoor. Wait for confirmation of your financing terms and next steps. Once approved, prepare for the closing process as instructed. Stay updated with any additional requirements from Opendoor during this period. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled iBuyer financing planning with Opendoor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.